These AI coins will reach billions in market cap. In this video, you will learn the top 5 AI coins that will reach billions in market cap. There are two things that we'll focus on in this video. You learn what are AI agents, and two, you will learn the top 5 AI agent coins that will reach billions of dollars that will explode in 2025. Are you ready? If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell. So when I publish new video content, you'll be the first. Let's get started. We'll start from what are AI agent or what is an AI agent. Then we'll now look at the 5 coins, AI agent project or coins that will explode in 2025. What is an AI agent? So let's look at this article, this prompt from Grok. I asked Grok, I want to explain what an AI agent is to a newbie. Kindly explain what an AI agent means and how can it be used. An AI agent is essentially a software program that can perform tasks or make decisions on behalf of a user or another program by using artificial intelligence. Simply put, an AI agent is an AI platform or it's an AI tool that can that can make decisions, analyze data, make decisions on behalf of humans, and use that decision to perform tasks. For example, let's say you want to schedule an appointment. You can tell your AI agent that you want to schedule an appointment, that you schedule an appointment for you. If you do that, the AI agent is like an assistant that can help you to do virtually anything. Okay, let's look at an example by Grok on how AI agent works. How AI agent can be used. Personal assistant. One of the examples is personal assistant. Example: Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa. Usage: they can schedule appointments, set reminders, answer questions, control smart home devices. Customer service, you can also use them as chatbots, on your website. As a business can use it as chatbot on your website. What it will do is that it will answer the questions and the queries coming from customers. Then you can also use as a recommendation system. But let's look at finance since we're talking about cryptocurrency here. Finance usage: they can automate trading, manage portfolio, detect fraud, or provide personalized financial advice. Now, this is significant. This is one of the function of AI agent in the blockchain and Web3 and crypto industry. Now, you can tell your AI agent to buy a token for you based on some criteria, and it will do that. So simply put, AI agent is an AI tool that can analyze data, that can make decisions, and perform a task on behalf of humans. Having understood this, we go further. We will proceed to look at the 5 AI agent coins that I think will explode, will reach billions of dollars in market cap. So also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, once again, hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment if you understand what an AI agent is. Okay, so the first one is Griffin. Griffin, according to analysts, is the leading AI agent framework marketplace platform on Solana chain. Now, what makes Griffin to be very significant to be the leader is that it is a platform that has all form of agents. We have agents that you can use to other things from other websites. We have agents that you can use to trade. We have agents that you can use for airdrop. We have agents that you can use for different purposes on Griffin. And one of the outstanding thing about Griffin is that it is supported by Solana co-founder, and also this is the platform. You can come to this place, although you need to be invited before you can use it. So this is how the interface is. But once you get the invitation, you can navigate the platform and see it yourself. You see it for yourself. So it's Griffin. The best I would describe Griffin is that it is a platform that hosts different AI agents. Okay, what make it to have huge potential is that it is Solana project. It is Solana project, the company Solana team project. The co-founder of Solana has been posting Griffin now, and many other popular tech entrepreneurs have also been posting Griffin. Now, Griffin is set to dominate the Solana chain AI agent category. Now, looking at the price action, the market cap is at $479 million. So that means from this stage to 1 billion is just it's just half. So we need another $500 million for it to reach $1 billion in market cap. And $1 billion in market cap is just a fraction of the capability of the potential of Griffin. So you can take your position on these projects, by doing further research and entering taking position based on from a support level. Look for a deep and take position. Whatever I'm saying in this video is not a financial advice. Kindly do your research and consult your financial advice. Okay, so the next is Swarm. Swarm is such an innovative project in the sense that it is a framework. This is an AI agent infrastructure. Griffin and Swarm are AI agent infrastructure. So that means they provide framework, they provide platform that enable AI agents to be built and deployed by developers. So that is what Swarm is all about. Now you can see Swarm is a collection of AI agents that help a business automate every aspect of the business. For example, we have a Swarm, we have an agent that is focused on automating marketing tasks. We have agents that are automating operations. We have agents that are involved in bookkeeping. You can see post SEO optimization. This is an agent. This is an AI agent. Okay, we have solopreneur revenue intelligence. We have AI operations efficiency. So we have a lot. Okay, we have Alpha Hunter. Okay, so we have different agents on some platform that help a business fully automate its operation from marketing to sales to operations to everything. Okay, so this is so huge. This is a game changing for AI infrastructural platform, Swarms. So let's look at the market analysis, the price action for Swarms. The market cap is currently at $491 million. So that means $500 million from there, you reach $1 billion. But that would be a starting point. If you understand the prediction, the the monetary prediction of AI industry this year, you understand that now based on the features and functions of this AI agent, there's a lot of upside potential for this project. So you can see that the price per swarms is 0.5, and so just look at it and try to see where you can find an entry. It's a very good project. It's good for long-term holds. Right. So the next on my list is Three Sigma. So Three Sigma is an AI agent. It's an AI agent that can help to analyze a crypto project. It will give you information such as why it has an edge. It will give you a thesis. So it will give you on-chain analysis. It will give you sentiment analysis. It will give you warning. It will give you if there's a fraud, if there are red flags, it will give you why there are red flags and why you should stay away from it. In fact, it's a leading AI agent core industry in trading, in crypto trading. So why does Three Sigma has an edge? It has an edge over other platform, over other agents, because it can do an on-chain analysis. An on-chain analysis is, Three Sigma can go to a chain, okay, and analyze the transactions, everything, the activities taking place on-chain for a project. Now, this is what makes Three Sigma to be unique, to have an edge over other platforms. You can see these are some of the analysis of Three Sigma, and these analyses are not common analysis. They are not common analysis. You can see, okay, look at this is Nora stride in as the AI power meta head, okay, with mean cutoff layer, intriguing, sure, but blockchain test a user story, test of fresh wallet, minted minutes apart, holding massive stakes. So you can see, so this is trying to tell you that there are red flags in this project called Nora. So now, Three Sigma has helped a lot of traders avoid scams, and have also helped a lot of traders make money. And with this, I believe that with time, Three Sigma has the potential to reach billions of dollars. And the market cap now is currently at $49 million. This is super cheap. This is super cheap compared to what is possible for Three Sigma. Now, these are all survival projects. That means you can buy them from through Phantom. So the next on our list is Spore. Spore, the thesis for Spore is that it is an AI infrastructure platform that want to create a DNA where an AI can breed another AI. That is simply what this experimental AI infrastructure project is doing. So AI agent breed and evolve. Now, the first agent, which is the parent agent, is called Spore. That's generation 1. Now, this Spore breed Adam and Eve. These are generation 2 agent. And this Adam, let's look at Adam. Adam also breed and gave birth to this generation. He gave birth to Squid AI, Squid AID, and Abe. Okay, so you can see that is the generation, is what this project is about. You can do more research about Spore. But what is interesting is that with this platform, this AI infrastructure, Spore AI will be able to create itself, will be able to create another AI, and the best AI will survive. So let's look at the market cap for Spore. Spore market cap is currently at $15 million, and this is super undervalued. It could go as high as billions of dollars if the experiment succeeds. So this request actions is listed on this a Solana project. You can get the smart contract and swap and buy it to Phantom. So the next or the last one is Litmus. Litmus is one of the most outstanding AI agent products or platform that has been built. Came across Litmus around December last year, and after reading the white paper, I was blown away based on the capability of Litmus. So Litmus is an AI agent that is very intelligent. What it does is that you can speak to your phone, you can speak to your phone, you can speak to your PC that you want to do any task. For example, maybe you want the agent to analyze the top AI agent coins in the market, and if you buy one Solana each, if you buy each of these top five, if you buy it or if you allocate one Solana to buy each of these AI agent coins. Now it will do that in no distant time. To do that within few minutes, within seconds, it will perform the task to analyze and perform that task for you. Now, what is outstanding about Litmus is that it is going to work with it's going to work with phones, it's going to work with your laptop. This is it is a unique project, and I think it has a huge potential. So you can see here, we're defining intelligence, autonomous tech, or a connected feature. So it will work on different platforms. So let's look at the price action. The price action for Litmus, the current market cap is around $132 million. This is so cheap. This has the potential to go as high as billions. $1 billion is the minimum that it can go for. Okay, so looking at the price action, this is a Solana based project. You can buy it through Phantom. You can buy it through Phantom. Okay, so here you have it, guys. Now, in this video, you have been able to understand what are AI agents and what they can do. And also, you have been able to, I'll show you the 5 AI agent coins that I believe will explode this year. All you need to do is to do your research and take position. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Are there other AI agent projects that you believe will explode? Drop it in the comment section. There's a video here on why Solana will reach $1,000 in this cycle. Check it out and you'll find it interesting. CoinDollar has a community, and in this community, we guide and help people to make money in crypto on daily basis. Check the description section and you'll find a link to join the community.